Hi students, welcome. In today's class we are discussing about how to construct an ellipse by the combination of rectangle method and concentric circle method. Okay. So in last videos we are completed individually, concentric circle method is separate, rectangle method is separate. Now it is a combination of both methods. Clear? So let us assume a ellipse, the major axis size is 100 mm and minor axis size is 60 mm. Clear? So it is a combination, means let us consider either it is a linear dimension or diameter value, okay, whatever it may be, because it is combined together. Clear? So we go for how to construct an ellipse by using combination of rectangle and concentric circle. And one more thing, in some problems they will specifically mention, okay, so left half is rectangle method, right half is concentric circle method, or otherwise vice versa. Or sometimes the bottom half is rectangle method, top half is concentric circle method. Similar case it's vice versa. So today we go for two cases. Okay. So either left half, right half one case and bottom half, top half in another case. Okay. So today class we are discussing about two cases. Clear? Let's go. So let us assume construction ellipse of given size 100 mm into 60 mm. Clear? So first case 1. So left half is, assume it, left half portion is rectangle method, right half portion is concentric circle method. Okay. And next thing, assume it in case 2, for example, top portion, top half you consider as rectangle method and bottom half portion you consider as concentric circle method. Same it is vice versa. Top half is concentric circle method, bottom half is rectangle method. Similar case here also, left half is concentric circle method, right half is rectangle method. 100% same. Okay. So right, we go for some example like so that is the size 100 into 60. So first you draw that 100 mm line, okay, and its midpoint 50 distance, you draw 60 mm line. So from center, left side 50, right side 50, from center, top 30, bottom 30. Clear? That's one. So after that you construct a rectangle. So 30, 30. Clear? So first, already you know that the rectangle method of ellipse, so total 100 into 60. So therefore here, similar case concentric circle method, 100 mm diameter major axis, 60 mm diameter minor axis, you draw that major and minor axis. So now it is a combination 2 means, so for example left half is rectangle, so left half you consider as a rectangle and right half you consider as a concentric circle. So this combination. Clear? So therefore this size is from here to here, 100 total 100 here means 50 distance and this one is 60. Similar case here, the smaller circle arc radius is dia 60 means radius 30. Similar case major axis semicircle 100 mm means radius 50. Clear? So you draw that. So already you know well. So this is 30 plus 30. So you take compass. So now 30 as the radius. Now 30 as the radius. You draw one semicircle 50. Okay. So therefore take 50 mm as the radius. You draw another semicircle. So this one 50. So you draw another semicircle. Clear? So this size 50. You draw. Clear? Right. After that you know the procedure. So in rectangle method, so that of minor axis, major axis, okay, is there? No. So it is half of the minor axis, this is of the major axis. So you assign that numbers. Clear? Similar case, you join the proceed points like this from opposite like this. You know that. So intersection points. Clear? Same procedure. So that let us consider, for example, this is P, Q. Okay, this is X. So the OX distance you divide it into n equal parts. Okay, right. For example, I am divided into 4 equal parts. So you know that how to divide a line. So that procedure you follow. Okay, to determine the equal parts. So I am divided 4. Clear? So for example, this is 1, this one is 2, this is 3. Similar case, xq equal to xp. That also. So how many equal parts you are taken? Same number of equal parts also you take here. Clear? So 100% same. So x to 1 equal to 1 to 2 equal, 2 to 3 equal, 3 to p. Like that. So for example, let us consider this is the major axis. A is minor axis, C, D. Okay. And we get B point. Clear? So next thing, you know, so you join C3, C2, C1. Next C1, C2, C3. Clear? Next thing, from opposite side, D3 where it is intersecting under C3. Clear? That one. Next thing, D2 versus C2 intersecting here like this, D1, C1. Next this D1, C1, D2, C2, D3, C3. Clear? That's all. So now you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intersection point. Apart that, minor axis CD and major axis 1 and A. So you join all the points including A, C, D. Clear? So first half, that is left half is rectangle method of 50% ellipse or over. Clear? And next thing, in right half, concentric circle method. In concentric circle method, you know that. So two circles are there. So the circle divided into n number of equal parts. Okay, in last video, okay, we refer how to divide a circle into n equal parts and how to construct an ellipse by using concentric circle method also. Next one is the outer circle. From outer circle points you draw vertical lines. From inner circle points you draw horizontal lines. The vertical and horizontal lines lies between two circles. So this is, so you join all the intersection points better like this. Same procedure you follow here also. How? So the two concentric circles are there, the circle divided into n number of equal parts. Okay, the numbers, it's no need to equal to here 4 equal parts left side means, so same 4 equal parts we need means not necessary, your wish. Clear? Like that. So here I consider, so this 90 degree is divided into 3 equal parts. Similar case here also 3 equal parts. So total the semicircle divided into 6 equal parts. So 3 equal parts for 90 degree, it's nothing but it's 30 degree each. Clear? That's what. So you know how to trisect and right angle. Clear? You know the procedure. Or otherwise it is 30 degree each, means you take 30 60 degree set square, you draw a divisions lines. Clear? That procedure. I understand? Right. Next thing, for example, in how to trisect and given right angle means you take some x radius O as the center. Okay, you draw one arc on OB and OA line. Okay, let us consider it is number 1 and 2. Same radius from 1 as the center, intersect arc on that self arc, and 2 as the center, intersect arc on that one. So now this one is trisect, yeah, given right angle. So this distance all are equal, that is 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree. Same procedure you follow, or otherwise by using 30 60 degree line you draw. $30 degree, 60 degree. Similar case, 60 degree, 30 degree. Okay, so 30, 60, 90, like that. So you know that point from outer points and from inner points. Okay, from outer you draw a vertical lines between the two circle. From inner points you draw a horizontal lines, that also between the two circles. The vertical and horizontal lines where it is intersecting. Clear? The vertical and horizontal lines are where it is intersecting, here, here. Okay, let us assume here also, from this point also, inner circle horizontal line, outer circle vertical line, where it is intersecting exactly on major axis end, here and here. Clear? Including CD. So now you join all the points, okay, including CD. What we get? Clear? So this one. Understand? So this is the method for combination of rectangle and concentric circle method to construct an ellipse. Clear? So left half is rectangle method and right half is concentric circle method. Same vice versa, you take left is concentric and right is rectangle. Same procedure. Clear? So only one thing, in left right system, the minor axis radius and major axis radius. Okay, this way. Clear? So next one, we go for this case. So it is rectangle method. So top and bottom. So top of is rectangle method. So this is the complete rectangle. So top, this portion is rectangle method. And next one is concentric circle method. Is there? No. So bottom of is concentric circle method. So top of is rectangle method and bottom of is concentric circle method. This method. Okay. So you combine these two. Okay. What we get? So this is the major axis circle and minor axis, how much is there? That minor axis you draw it. Clear? Right. So what is the size? Same, 100 into 60. So it is 100 mm. So 60 means it is 30. Clear? So 30, 100, first half. Okay. So this is middle. Next second half. So first half you complete this portion, this one. Okay. So you know that. So here only 1, 2, 3, 4. It is first half. No. So here you know 1, 2, 3. Here also same number of equal parts, 1, 2, 3. So this is minor axis end, this is major axis A and B. Here also this is A means this is B. Clear? Similar case, right side. This one you divide into n number of equal parts. same procedure, division in a line. After that you draw C3, C2, C1 like this. Clear? And next thing, here without that another rough for construction we can't. Clear? Because we need that intersection line. So you know that it is D, let us assume normal rectangles only. Okay, but no need divisions here because we want to erase, no, but you need that inclined lines only like this. Similar case 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So we get that intersection points. So you join including this. Okay, like this. Clear? Understand? Right. Okay, so top of ellipse, top half portion ellipse are over. Next, bottom half, you know the bottom half. So it is not necessary now. Okay, so construction is too thin. Right. Next thing, bottom half. So bottom half is, it is a major axis. So major axis, it is the center, no? So major axis OA is 50 mm, 100 by 2, 50 mm. So you draw a one circle, semicircle, clear? You draw one semicircle here, 50 as the radius, right? Semicircle. And next one is minor axis size, how much? 60 means it is 30. So 30 as the radius, you draw one more semicircle. So now you got bottom half of that. Then you know that semicircle, that is in concentric circle method, you divide into the size. For example, 30 degree each, like that, 30 degree. The right angle you do in trisecting. I get 3 equal parts. Then you know the common procedure. From outer circle points, from inner circle points, from outer circle you draw a vertical lines, from inner circle you draw a horizontal lines, the intersection points including minor axis. So this end is D, CD, it is minor axis, 30 plus 30, 60. Then you join it. Clear? That's all. Clear? Like. So this is left and right offset, it is top and bottom of. Similar procedure in vice versa. Top is a concentric circle method. Just imagine it is a mirror effect. Just imagine it is also a mirror effect. Left and right, top and bottom is change. Clear? Right. Okay, students. In next video, we go for how to construct an ellipse by using arcs of circle method. Okay. Thank you.